her 25th anniversary special, one of these contestants came over and started congratulating her. And I just wanted to make it stop. So I gave him, you know, the look that just says, shut up, shut up. It was just me, him and Susie. So all I could do in a panic was stood in between them and went, fuck off! I hope that Susie wouldn't notice. And she didn't.
Girl next door. That is if you live next door to a Dooku. Pick the letters. John, pick some letters.
Can I have...
O, I,
and then...
Y.
This is sort of the easy bit.
What have you done? I was gone for like 5 seconds. Let's have...
Oh, you're just better at this, aren't you?
And a consonant.
G.
And...
S. Numbers round next. If anyone spots my calculator, I am screwed. Shame.
I listen to it in the mornings.
OK, Sean, you're sick. OK.
Oh, it could be gas tardy somewhere that you... then.
2 big ones. 3 big ones makes it impossible.
2 big ones.
4 little. Right, and they are 5, 4, 3, 2, and the big ones, 75 and 50. And the target, 758. Yep.
Times 50,
750,
and then 2 times 4.
758.
Oh, gosh.
Wow.
10 points to Sean.
Oh. Fancy a coffee?
Sorry?
Fancy
I'd like a vowel, actually. You know me. E's.
C.
All.
O. T.
And then a vowel.
A.
And then a consonant. Ow.
O.
Oh. And then a consonant, and then a consonant.
M. And R.
And you... So, pick the numbers.
You wanted 3.
3 big and 3 little. Sure.
Easy.
5, 9, 3, and then your 3 big ones. 175 and 25. And the target, 601. 9 minus 3, 6.
Multiplied by 100.
100.
Times 9, man.
So you were keeping the other 100. Is it a tough one, Rachel?
Did you ever go? Yeah, leave it with me.
OK, so John and Sarah...
Finally got it. If you say 100 plus 25, 125, minus 3, 122, times it by 5 for 610 and take away the 9.
Oh, wow.
John...
I'll step in there. Isn't
It
it?
is fair, thank you.
E,
E,
I,
And a... Sorry, you go on.
please.
S,
And a...
C, E,
And...
D, I, Z.
John, you're 6.
Wow.
What is that now?
It means to gape or burst.
The nether regions of the number world. 4 little ones. And they are 1, 5, 6, another 5, and the big ones 175. I'll get 720.
75 times 100 you thought was
I
700.
can see where I went wrong now.
John, did you get it?
6 plus 1 is 7.
Times by 100.
700.
I don't like it when... 75 divided by
Yep,
5.
that's fine. Well done. 15. Yeah, 720. Lovely.
Oh, well done.
Well done.
Consonant, please.
O,
And another vowel.
I,
And a consonant.
R. Know your name?
Oh. Vowel. Vowel.
E,
Consonant.
L,
Consonant.
R,
Consonant.
and the last one, another L.
OK, and your 30 seconds. Oh.
People who see...
Yep.
OK, John. Good, John. Any better?
Yeah, that's there for 7.
Or armoire.
Oh, well.